Hello everyone, I hope your day is going well. Today I will show you how to make deviled eggs. First, you boil the eggs, then you shell them, you rinse them off, and you just cut them in half and get them ready to make the yolk. So we'll remove the yolk from the egg whites, then we'll add the mayonnaise, mustard, relish, and seasoning to your liking, and just mix it up until smooth. Then you'll fill the eggs with the yolk and then garnish it with paprika and parsley. And then you put the eggs in the fridge for about 15 minutes until they cool down so you can eat them. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more like this, subscribe, like, and comment below, and we will definitely make sure we provide more videos for you guys. So if there's anything you guys like for me to try, like I want to try like avocado, deviled eggs, that's something that I'm definitely willing to try. So just let me know in the comments.